So this video is the back post only. You go through the back of the next stitch, front of the stitch after, and then pull through, which will mean the stitch sits in front of the back post of the previous crochet. So I'll do this again. You can see it as it's in a different colour there. Now in my Cougar pattern it does require a back post only in the same colour, so I will demonstrate that again just to make it a little bit easier, as it's a little bit harder to see. So again, you hold your yarn as normal, you go in the back of the next stitch, the front of the stitch after, pushing out the back post of that stitch. You then pull your yarn through, then yarn over and pull through as normal. You continue like this all the way around for this pattern, so you see I'm going again, and what that does is that will stop the direction that you're going in and give a nice clean edge, as in this pattern it's used for the bottom of the paw. So I'll show you a few more times round just to make it a bit easier. So this is just showing the effect it will have on the edges. You've got the normal side there, and this is where you've back post. So you